Hello there, my name is Bear Grylls, and today we are on the hunt for the golden tiger. Now, I haven't seen the golden tiger anywhere lately, so we're gonna go upstairs. So let's go. This is unmarked. Oh, we found it. We found the golden tiger. No, come back. This is a very rare animal, and it can get very shy. I suggest it has gone up here. I can't see it, for there is a dam built by a beaver blocking my path. Okay, I'm never going to be able to fit down this hole, but it's worth a try. Ow! I stubbed my foot on the bed. Now, where is that cat? I can't see it. It's escaped. Okay, we're going to have to climb under the bed and break the dam built by the beaver. This is very intense. I found it. Here it is. It's right there. Right there. I found it. Alright then, that's our documentary for this episode. Goodbye.